Intro music plays. Camera opens to the host standing between the two mops, one on the left, Neugo, and one on the right, Shark. Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart. Today, we're diving deep into the world of floor cleaning. And trust me, it's dirtier than my dating history. We've got the Neugo Steam Mop over here on the left, and the Shark Steam and Scrub on the right. Which one will reign supreme in the battle of the steam mops? Let's find out. Camera zooms in on the mops as the host walks towards the Neugo. First up, let's talk about the price. Because we all know the only thing worse than a dirty floor is a dirty deal. The Neugo is priced at a sweet $109, while the Shark is a bit more at $139. Reviewers love the Neugo for its reasonable price and effectiveness, often recommending it to friends and family. On the other hand, Shark's higher price reflects its advanced features, but some users feel it may not justify the cost when compared to Neugo's performance. Now, let's steam things up and talk about the power. The Neugo boasts a fiery 230 degrees Fahrenheit steam, so hot it could probably cook a hot dog if you're in a pinch. Reviewers praise it for its deep cleaning ability, effectively sanitizing floors without leaving a slippery residue. Meanwhile, the Shark offers 3 steam modes: light, normal, and deep. Users appreciate this versatility, especially for different cleaning needs, and many commend its ability to disinfect thoroughly. Now, let's get to scrubbing. The Shark has an automatic scrubbing mop head that delivers over 150 scrubs per minute. Reviewers rave about this feature, noting how it makes cleaning feel effortless and effective. In contrast, Neugo focuses on adjustable steam intensity, allowing users to customize their cleaning experience. While it may not scrub as aggressively, many users find it effective for regular maintenance and appreciate its gentleness on various floor types. Let's talk design. Neugo features an adjustable height, so you can clean without bending down, which many users find ergonomic. It also has a 23 feet cord, allowing for extensive reach. Reviewers appreciate this convenience, especially those with larger homes. On the other hand, the Shark features LED headlights to reveal hidden debris, which users find helpful. However, some reviewers mentioned difficulties cleaning corners due to its round pads, suggesting it may not be as maneuverable as Neugo. Overall, both the Neugo and Shark steam mops have garnered positive reviews from users, each excelling in different areas. Neugo is praised for its affordability and effective cleaning capabilities, while Shark is recognized for its advanced scrubbing features and versatility. So there you have it, folks. Both the Neugo and the Shark have their unique features, and it really comes down to what you need. If you want a budget-friendly powerhouse, go with the Neugo. But if you want the scrubbing performance of a cleaning robot, the Shark is your go-to. Remember, whether you're mopping up spills or just trying to impress your in-laws, the right steam mop can make all the difference. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future comparisons. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your choices smarter. Our music plays. Camera fades out with a funny blooper of the host pretending to mop the floor.